A sideways tripod roll braces through one hand and one forearm. Lower the weight while moving to the side. Place both hands on the ground and roll sideways from where you began. Rise through Hiza to stand facing either in the direction you rolled in or in the direction you were facing at the start of the roll. When rolling with a Jo, begin with the Jo in both hands and let go with one hand as you enter the roll. Keep the Jo in the hand on the same side of the body that you are rolling over and rise into Seigan no Kamae. In a forward-facing sideways roll, our gaze remains on a fixed target. Begin in Shizen and pick a target to keep your gaze focused on. Roll sideways through a tripod roll, rising through Hiza into Ichimonji no Kamae and Bobi no Kamae. With a Jo, begin in Hira Ichimonji no Kamae. Roll sideways through a tripod roll, rising into Seigan no Kamae. Adjust the feet as necessary to enter a balanced Kamae. To change direction in a sideways tripod roll, allow the pivot of the roll to follow the direction of your elbow or the back of your arm, exiting the roll through Hiza facing the opposite direction from where you began. Notice how shifting the back foot as you move through Hiza can adjust the direction of your standing Kamae. It is important to practice this roll relaxed, and with the path of contact more toward the outer edge of your torso. With a Jo, begin in Hira Ichimonji no Kamae. Keep the Jo in the hand on the same side of the body that you were rolling over, and rise into Seigan no Kamae, facing the opposite direction from where you began. Adjust your hips, knees, and feet in Hiza and while standing to control the direction of your Seigan no Kamae.